Evenly apply essential oil to the back. RF and suction body. Firming and assist in body shaping. Settings. Energy level, 3. Time, 15 minutes. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.3. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Push the do channel in 3 sections. Push the whole do channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Wipe the treatment area with a towel.